Hi guys, it's Sandy here. I have here four packages that I'm going to post out this afternoon, but I want to share with you what I made before I head to the post office. So I'm in a Facebook group called Happy Mailers, and it's run and hosted by Tanya, and she is from Tanya Leigh Designz. I will put her link down below. She also has a Instagram and also a YouTube channel, and excuse me, and also a website. So I'm going to put all of her details down below for you. She does create some amazing stuff. She also does a lot of digital prints for sale. So if you are into digital prints, check her out on Instagram. I think she posts some of her prints on there as well. And yeah, so please check her out, subscribe to her channel, and thank you, Tanya, for hosting this group swap here. She does a lot of work on her Facebook group as well. So it's a lovely bunch of ladies on there, and we share happy mail, share our crafting projects. Tanya also hosts a lot of group swaps in our Happy Mailers group. So I was thankful enough to be able to participate in this group. So what Tanya wanted us to do was we needed to do, it was a die cut swap. So we had to cut some dies using our dies and then package them individually and present them nicely to our recipient. So I'm in a group of 5 ladies, including myself, so I just had to make 4 for the ladies, and I'm in group 2, and my one was, I chose to do a shabby theme look, and some of the other ladies were able to do with a shabby theme. It was also plain and simple, and I'm not sure what the other one was. But I had so much fun making these for the ladies, and I want to show you what I put together in the packaging. So, Tanya, if you're watching, one of these is for you, so just letting you know before it gets sent out to you. Okay, so I've made the topper, and I've just added a little note card on the front, and it's just got my information and just a little note for them. And I'll open up the package. I'll open this one. I have a tutorial as well on how I assembled my dies in the booklet here as well, and I'll put the link as well down below. So this is my shabby themed folder where I stored all of my my dies in. So in the front pocket here, I've added some goodies for each of the ladies. They're all the same, just different what do you call it? Different patterns of some of my die cuts that I have. So there's just some embellishments in there for them to use. I've added a coin envelope for them, some lace and trim that they can use in their crafting projects, and I also made these rosettes using my paper cupcake liners that I did put in my video previously. Then I just added some glitter to the edge. I will do a tutorial on how I made these rosettes as well in another video. So that was fun to make, and then I just added a colouring postcard for them. So in my tutorial I didn't add this front pocket, it was just the actual booklet, so that's just to let you know, if you want to add the pocket, you just have to cut another piece and just stick it to the front. But this is how the front looks like. Then you open it up, and in here are all the packaged dies that I've cut up using my die cut machine. I won't take them all out, I'm just going to show you how I assembled it. So it's a very easy booklet to assemble, and all they do is just flick through each of these packaging and just take out which one they need, and close it back up. So there's the seal is just at the bottom here, so they just take it out like that, and then just take out what they need and then seal it back up, and then everything just stays in this booklet until they need to go back and use these dies again in any of their projects. And then I've just backed it with some white copying paper and added some washi tape to the bottom just to decorate it a bit. So yeah, so this is what I just thought I'll come and show you what I made for these ladies, and I do hope they like what I've made for them. I love doing swaps, and I do love making things for people that are also into crafting like myself, because I do put a lot of time and effort in my work, and I put a lot of love into it, and while I'm making these projects I think about them and what I think they may like to receive, and also how I like to present it for them. So I do hope they do like what I make for them, just as much as I do love receiving it from other people too, because I cherish all of my pen pals work, or people that send me happy mail. I cherish them and I do keep them all, and always like to look through them if I need more inspiration. So yeah, so this will be going out this afternoon to these ladies in the die cut swap group that I'm in the Happy Mailers Facebook. I'll put all the links down below for you, but again, please check out Tanya's work, and please subscribe to her channel on YouTube. Thank you, Tanya, for hosting this lovely swap. I had so much fun creating these for these lovely ladies. So thank you for watching, and bye for now.